So let's tackle some of the objective questions you're able to get our answer on. Stay tuned, and the remaining ones I will post them with time. So stay tuned to the channel as we make advances. So look at the first question here. It said a sector of circle this have a center to find the perimeter. So you know what the perimeter of the sector is. It's P is theta over 360 times 2 pi radius plus 2 radius. That's the perimeter of a sector. So my P will be theta is 140 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius, which is 9, plus 2 times of 9. So P will give us what? If I multiply and divide, what am I having? I'm having 140 times 2 times 22 times 9 divide. We are going to have 22 plus 18. That will give us a 40 centimeter. And we happen to be option D. Let's go to the next question. Question 2. We are asked to given that this is this, we should find the value of x. So I'm going to have 5 over 4 raised to the power x plus 6 is equals to 16 is 4 raised to the power 2, 25 is 5 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power x. So I can bring that 2 as a common factor. That will give me 4 over 5 raised to the power 2x. You can see the bases are not the same. That means I can interchange it. I'm going to have 5 over 4 raised to the power 2x raised to the power x plus 6 equals to 5 over 4 raised to the power minus 2x. So if I start from here, we're not having the base, can remove this base now, we're not having x plus 6 equals to minus 2x. X plus 6 is equals to minus 2x. If I collect right terms, I want to be 6 minus 2x minus x. That will give us minus 3x. So my s is now minus 6 divided by 3. The value is minus 2. Let's check, which is option A. We have minus 2. Let's go to question 3 and see what they have for us. So they're given that 1 over m minus 1 equals to this, make m the Sawyer formula. So I will take LCM in the left hand side. My LCM will give me mn. Here's now m minus m equals to 1 over p. So let's make m the Sawyer formula. We need to cross multiply. I'm going to have mn is equals to p bracket n minus m. Will give us pn minus pm. So from here I calculate like terms by inviting pn to meet mn. So I'm having mn plus pm is equals to pn. So m is common, here become n plus p is equals to pn. So my m now is simply pn over n plus p. Let's check. We have a pn over n plus 3, which is option B. Let's go to number 4. So this is STEMUp. Subscribe to our channel to enjoy STEMupAfrica, to enjoy other scientific videos like this. If the mean of this number is x, so you find the value of x. So matter of adding or divide by the total numbers. I'm having 3 plus x plus 1 plus s plus 4 plus 1 over the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5 is equals to x. The mean is x. So if I add the 2x together, that will give me 2x, and the numbers 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, that's 4 plus 5, that is 9, is equals to 5x. If I cross multiply, so I'll collect like terms from here. This one implies 9 equals to 5x minus 2x. So 3x will give us 9. So our s is 3. Let's check which option is that. Option B. our S is 3. So please subscribe to the channel. We do videos in physics, chemistry, and the practicals, so stay tuned. Also share with your friends and others. So go to question 5. So you should simplify this. I'm having 1 number 3 over 4. If you convert to fractions now, we are having 7 over 4 minus, here will give us a 7 over 3. 7 over 3 plus 4. According to board maths, we have to simplify the bracket first. So let's simplify the bracket. Here's over 1. I will take a LCM. I'm having 7 over 4 minus, my LCM is 3. Here will be 9 plus 12, which is 7 over 4 minus 9 plus 12, that is 21 over 3. So I'll take LCM now. LCM of 7 and 4 and 3 is 12. So we're having 7 over 4 minus 21 over 3. My LCM is 12. So 12 into 4 is 3. 3 times 7, that is 21, minus 12 into 3 is 4. 4 times 21, that will give us 84. If I subtract 21 minus 84, that will give us minus 63 over 12. So how many whole number is there? 63 divided by 12. That will give us 21 over 4. Let's check our options. 63, we have this time this is 60. We have 60. Okay, 4 times 48 plus 7. No. So our result is answer supposed to contain minus. So is the result. Let's check. Say Mr. Kun bought 1,200 coconut fruit for this at 3 for 4 naira. He sold them in 2 Ghana cedis. So he bought them. You need to get the cost price. His cost price now will give me 2,100 divided by 3 times 4. That will give us 2,800 Ghana cedis. Then he sold them each at 2. 700 times 2. That will give us 1,000. The selling price now 1,400. So what is the profit? Profit is total cost price. Okay, you're asking for total cost price. The answer is 2.8. Then what's the profit now? I'm having 1,400, which is profit, which is selling price minus cost price, by the cost price 2,800 times 100. It'll give me 2. It'll give us 50%. That is the answer. Question 8. What we have here is a plane geometry. Let's see what we can do from here. So we should get value of x. Here is I can't see it clearly. Is that 3x? Okay. So a matter of extending this. Can't see that clearly. So let's ignore that question. If I see it clearly, I will. If I say the question again, I will revisit that. Next, we say a rod is level number 7 over 8 meter long. If 8 over 5 of it is cut off, find the length of the remaining rod. So let's convert this one to fraction first. We have 11 times 8 plus 7. 88 plus 7. That will give us 95. I'll be 95 over 8 minus, remove this part, 8 over 15. So what's the LCM of 8 and 15? 8 times of 15 will be our LCM, that is 120. So the LCM is 120. 120, 15 times 95. That gives us 14. 15 times 95. minus 68 divided by 120. That will give us to convert it to whole number, we're going to have the answer should be B. Number 10. Say the volume of a cube is this. Find the length. The volume of cube V is written as S power 3. So 343 is now S power 3. So 343 is written as 7 power 3 equals to S power 3. 3 cancel 3. So the side of the cube now is 7 cm. That is option A. So this is all we can take for now. Please stay tuned to the channel as we search for the other questions. Thank you for watching. So you can look at this question and solve it. If you can get the answer, you post it on the comment section. Thank you.